was, of course, fantastic. Yeah, I have been here last year, last to last year I was here. Every year I see there is some growing technology, some machines, and I'm there back there. And I inquired with one of your colleagues to send me some more details about it, and probably will be procuring it. Or definitely will have some trial. But yes, it's impressive. Whatever the arrangement you have done here, the amount of technology you have pulled in this part of the world, excellent. I'm really impressed.
The event is perfect. Even I am always waiting for that one. Last year also I came and I loved that one. And during that time I purchased a lot of machinery from your organization, because when we are coming here we're getting a lot of new information about the machines and all that. Even today I met a lot of your sales team and we booked a lot of machines today.
Amazing, very nice machinery. We found almost what we are looking for.
It was very nice, excellent it was. All the machines actually, all the machines were quite applicable to us.
I've been sitting the exhibition for almost 3-4 years, and this time it's fantastic. A wide range of machineries and innovative things, many new equipments, new machineries, new technologies, and especially the way they presented, it's really amazing. And
it's a pleasure to be here once more in the open day of Yes Machinery.
Yes.
We are quite a regular visit here. I'm personally coming here for the last 2 or 3 years consecutive, but our teams are always here, and it's always a pleasure to be with Basant and his team and all that you need and that you have to present to the market.
It was really nice. It was very well organized, and it was lovely hearing about all the machines here. Thank you for having us. Maybe a little bit more women around.
Yes, so true. Okay, then can we expect you next year?
Yes, definitely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I mean, it's very cool actually. We were interested in the magnetic lifting and all specialized. So it's very wonderful. Feels very exciting. Or hopefully next time on.
Who's the owner of Yes Machinery, and I always come in open house, okay, and every year there's a lot of innovations, so new machines, new technologies, and this time I have seen, I like the fiber cutting, fiber marking, some robotics, okay, and some on lifting parts, okay, and some crane safety. So I'm very happy to be here, okay.
Like, I actually got to see so many innovative products. So for me, it was like first time for me. So I have enjoyed my time in there.
Thank you so much.
Actually, good feedback from what you've given us to show here. We have so many of them. We are happy to come here
Thank you.
to see so many things which you have been almost all day exhibited.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
In fact, it's very good, very knowledgeable, very informative for the machineries, where we on a daily basis we are dealing with the machineries, and this thing from here we are getting more advanced technologies and information. It's very good, and going forward we expect more than this to a next level where we can use these machineries.
Thank you.
Excellent. I'm very impressed with the way S Machine. I've been here every year for the open house. Really excellent, very impressive. Day by day, I keep seeing products getting added, a lot of new innovative things coming up.
والله it's nice. يعني the machine what we see here actually very interesting, because here when we come we are looking for the cost effective, so also the machine are affecting our production.
Yeah.
As lighting manufacturer, so some of the machine what we have here can have good impact on our production, like marketing fibers. This actually can be more effective for our production, and also some like tapping machine, drilling machine, something like that also.
Majority of the fabrication machines, this is helpful for us.
It's great. A lot of machineries in display, new manufacturers of machines. So for my field, it was really good. So the staff, of course, are amazing, very helpful. Mr. Chico, Mr. Bassan, everyone else. So it was really wonderful. And I have my engineers coming on Saturday, so they can also see the machines, and hopefully we can buy some machines.
Okay. It was very nice. Actually, every year I'm visiting over here. So this time also, and I see that you have elaborated the machineries and all, and new brands I'm seeing. So it's good. Thank you.
Yeah, it's been a good day. I've been here twice. So we are looking for some innovation, like in automation, in robot, and some cobot way. in some tooling, great tooling. So right now I have here some like a cutting machine here with aluminum. So we found interesting also in the vision system with camera. So there's a lot of tools also with in terms of our industry that we can use. So I hope we can give some work for this some people here.
Actually, for last 3 years, Mr. Sanit, he is asking to come for this event. We missed it, and this time we also think about it. We ordered on one mission actually. So we think we will come here and see the event. And actually, it's very fabulous and very nice. Nicely they set up everything, and moreover they invested a lot here, and we can see it in a very good way. So anyway, very good, nice. Thank you.
Really great. So many new things which we have seen. It is very useful and
Actually very wonderful and very supportive team here. It's wonderful persons, and we have lot of innovative things here, which is new to us and which is actually very useful for us, which we can use in the industry.
It was very good, very well organized. So I could meet a lot of manufacturers from Europe. Good quality machines, unlike other exhibitions wherein typical conventional products are displayed here. New kind of products are displayed, and I could meet many manufacturers from Europe. I'm very happy the way it's organized, well organized. The whole team has done a fantastic job.
it's very good. It's not first time for us. Really, we are regularly coming. We are a regular customer. The quality of the machines here is amazing. Yeah, the forming machine is new to us. It's interesting. And we had a look in like lean manufacturing and like signboards. So those things are interested as of now. So we are looking into those things like overhead railings, hanging systems, weightlifting, our next target to source it. Yeah, of course. We have purchasing a little bit. We have been dealing with this company for 10 years, and almost every year we are purchasing new machines from you. And it's not the first time for that. Every year coming for a open house as well as some other events dealing by a company, exhibition. Of course, since you are going for some new adaptation to our company, we need some new requirements. Mr. Phillips and your team, they are giving good advice to us. They are giving good mission solution. So always we are coming to the
Thank you so much.
Nice to see that open house. Very good. Good events. Yes, nice. This time we came here to check that robotic machine. So already discussed with Sanit and as well as that concerned person. So we will see that next month he is going to come. That time we will enhance that further requirements.
I'm operations manager from Toxin Public Health. We are providing different services, and actually my interest to visit today was in machinery we are using in the cleaning section. And really I appreciate the efforts put together by Yes Machinery, and especially I visited all the exhibition and I saw all the machines which they have presented. It's a modern and latest technology, and really I am interested in all these products, and actually it was a great experience visiting here, and the way it was arranged, it was really nice and wonderful.
Yes, I did. I went in the Cleanifix, I think. So I checked on the machine that I wanted for cleaning, more than even 7 machines.
It's a great, always being here is a great experience. We're experiencing new technology, new things, a learning experience, and it is really contributing a lot to our industry. It's a great event. Always, I'm wishing all the best for Basan and Yes Mission.
Very nice actually. A lot of essential and lot of usable equipments are there. I am from a food factory, so in our factory, a lot of cleaning equipment, a lot of material handling equipment, a lot of things which will be small but will be making easier to our workers, for our operators. So I found it very useful and very essential. So I have booked a few equipment which will be taking demo, and that works. That will be fantastic.
Is this your first time visiting?
Yeah, I'm visiting first time.
It was okay, and what we want we have seen in this one.
Did any machine specifically stood out for you?
Yeah, 2-3 machines were there which we will send in.
Is this your first time visiting here?
Yeah, first time. But before we have purchased machines from here.
Okay. Do you have any suggestion for our next open house?
No, it's okay. It's so good. Everything is okay.
How was your experience?
Very advanced.
Yeah, it was a wonderful experience. We have seen a lot of variety of machineries. Seems to be very new and modern. And we are trying to accommodate some of them to our website. It was really wonderful. So thank you very much for this opportunity.
We feel that we have come to a supermarket of this machinery. So each and every machine we have seen, we experienced it. Actually, it is very wonderful. And the most innovative machines we see. It's very good. We enjoyed it.
The event was very good. We were able to see a lot of machineries and technologies. What we missed in steel fab, we are able to see more machines here, and a lot of technical people around to explain so many things about the machineries, explaining the technical details, and able to share a lot of information about the machine. We are able to collect information, discuss our requirements with your engineers. Hopefully this will continue.
Is this your first time visiting here?
Yeah, it's first time visiting here.
This is Vishnu from Kirsten Vending Company. So yeah, this is my fourth time to the show, and as always, we have a good range of products. Yeah, for a multitude of operations. Yeah. So yeah, this time also they have a good selection. Yeah, and yeah, we find a lot of machines we can use, and yeah, pretty useful visit.
It was nice for me, and this is the first time I come for this event. Especially for Mr. Obaid, last year he invited me, but that time I don't have time to come here. So this is the first time I see many machines. I like it for this one.
It was very good. Overall, I think I have been here for the last couple of years, and year on year we are getting more new equipments and more new innovation technologies in place. That's what we have seen. And if I want to share something like, we have been looking for a solution for last couple of years, like which we have been in touch with Ash Machinery and different vendors, but finally in this exhibition we found out that solution, with respect to the vacuum lifters. Yeah.
Great.
Classic metallic.
So, how was the experience? How was the event?
It's
how
good,
do you feel?
especially for manufacturing company. Automation is there.
Is this your first time visiting?
For this, yes, it's first time. I think 2022 you
Yes,
started.
yes.
So it's my first time.
Uncle Polivit.
Okay, so how was your experience today?
Yeah, it's very good actually. We are looking some solution for the metal handling, especially for the drum. What we are doing manually. We can see that one equipment is there, and for the partition safely we need some more arts. That is very good. So we are looking reasonable price is there that we can.
It's really a very good experience, and I thoroughly enjoyed such wide machineries that you have. And some of them are really the robotics ones, very impressive.
So, on the scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate it?
The highest, I suppose.
Thank you
10.
so much.
Very nice experience, and it is very satisfying to see Basant is growing so much, and he is growing day by day. So all the best to Basant, and satisfied new things we have seen today, and we are very much interested. So we will definitely.
Perfect, wonderful. We've got big experience over here. Honestly, I like the place. I like everything. I like the machines displayed on the machines area. All the cleaning machines. Great team, great show. Wonderful. Thank you very, very much.
It was wonderful. Thank you very much for the invitation. Thanks Simon and all the team. I really appreciate. I wasn't honestly expecting this much, and with a lot of vendors, suppliers to be visiting. And once I just entered, I was really shocked with what you have. I was discussing with Abid about this, that being a simple supplier is easy, but supplying and specializing in the specific items, machines, cutting machines, and even vacuums for the industrial solutions. And as per the request of the customers, that you can customize it easily. This is wonderful. I know, yes, machinery since 2022. I know how they work, how professional they are. So that's why it was my pleasure to visit again. And if there is going to be anything again, it's my pleasure to come again to visit and to see you guys. Thank you very much.
The event is very nice. There's a lot of different things and a lot of interesting things. The occasion is really nice. The people are really nice. They know what they speak about it. It's really good. Yes.
So basically, we didn't have any idea. Like we thought, okay, we'll see some music. But then coming here, it was good. We saw so many fields that we can improve in our construction side. So yeah, it was very informative.
No, actually, I thought like it would be better if the space for more. Like I thought it would be a bigger event.
Yes, it is bigger, but I thought many more machines or many more equipments we could see, we could search, we could take it to our customers. So that was our expectation, but yes, we got many machines. Thank you.
That was great, like a lot of machines around. I came from e-commerce company like to check what's the things are available here, and it's really incredible. A lot of things made in Germany, Italy, and yeah, I got a lot of like videos, and I will prepare reports and I'll get to our management. For sure, we're interested to some things from here. Thank you guys.
Very good. Last year buying two cleaning machine and we are searching for other machine. That is why we are coming for the exhibition.
Did you find anything?
Yeah, some machines.
Okay.
Event was very good. Actually, we came for a few things which we need in our manufacturing units, like robotic scrubber and pneumatic arms. And there was one very good material we found for the ergonomics, which will be very helpful for us for the manual handling. Like that's kind of belt which will support your back, and that's very good. So we have gave our requirements to one of your representative. After this event, he might contact us, and after then we'll start our journey.
This event was well organized, and each and every equipment was demonstrated properly. So we had a glance idea how the equipment operates, and the different technologies has been kept on the floor for a better understanding. So it is really great to keep an open event like this.
This great initiative. All these manufacturers here experience for the customers to get the first hand. It's a great idea and a great initiative.
The event is fantastic. We could see that as a steel fabricator, whatever machine what you are looking here, you have a complete solution in this boundary. I'm amazed, and a lot of machineries are useful, which really, even though it looks a small machinery, which is really helpful to our industry. I really thrilled, and by seeing this, a lot of options are coming in mind. So sure, we will be exploring all those opportunities.
This is very nice. The machine have two more options. Yeah.
Yeah, all good. Actually, it was nice to be here, part of Machineries exhibition. It's good to see all the suppliers from the different region, and yeah, what to say, like everything was, it's very nice to meet new people over here, and it's good for our business also. Actually, I'm more into the logistics, so it was good to meet more suppliers and customers over here. It was a great opportunity for me personally, actually. Yeah.
It's nice in future.
Okay, did any machine specifically stood out for you?
There is a pickling and passivation machinery that we just thinking to buy.
From Rijk, I'm working for Alpha.
Okay.
It's very interesting day seeing all the equipment here. I'm not used to the places here. I'm in Abu Dhabi, Dubai. I'm running an engineering workshop, a CNC workshop, but it's good to see where I can get hold of all different equipment that I can utilize in the workshop. So thanks for the day, it's very nice.
Yeah, it was very good. It was wonderful experience. A lot of new technologies, and it was looks like, for me it was looks like mini steel fab actually. It was wonderful. There was many machineries. Last year I didn't come. Before last year I was here, but it was small. Now it's very big with mostly major machineries. It was wonderful experience.